This is the unboxing and first impressions of the Seiko SNXS80k. It is an automatic gold tone watch with the famous 7S26 movement. Starting out, outer box, standard. The usual manual. Inner box and the watch in all its glory. So, the gold tone. It's gold tone, as I said, because it's not gold plated, it's actually a coloured stainless. So it looks to be 18 or 24 carat. It's got this stainless bracelet, gold on the outside and in. The back of the watch has the clear door, much like the Sea Urchin SNZF17, and as any Seiko fanatic would know, a 7S26 movement is the famed one with all the jewels. This has 21 jewels. It's the same movement they put into SKX 007 and Sea Urchin SNZF17, so it's well known for being the best automatic. This also offers the day and date function, the sweeping hand, although it is non-hacking, so setting the time is a little different. Looking at the bezel, it's a smooth bezel, polished, instead of a fluted, where you might find a Rolex day date with a fluted bezel, which catches a lot more light. It's a bit more texture. This is completely flat. On the lugs we have a polished area as well, whereas the bracelet is brushed. You can see the difference. Indices. You can see they're glow in the dark. You won't be able to see, it's too bright here. Bracelet, all stainless, gold tone, pretty thin. Now what I didn't like about the Rolex Oyster is that the bracelet's too thin. This is quite thin. I was going for the President bracelet look. This is nearly there, but not quite. Buckle. Clasp buckle, no safety clasp like your diver's watches. This is a dress watch. I would have liked to see the safety clasp as well, but none of that, unfortunately. One thing I did notice is that the crown is actually at the 4 o'clock position, not 3. So you'll see that it's a little lower down. And looking from the front, it is recessed in. So you can see here it's flush, or nearly flush. So it's not going to catch on your wrist too much. It's neatly hidden away back here. Pull it out, you'll see 2 clicks. I was a little disappointed when I put it on that it's quite light. Now, I'm used to having divers watches. I've got a BFK, I've got Sea Urchin, I've got the 007, and they're like a standard size, whereas this is my first smaller dressier watch. It's really light, you barely notice it on the wrists, although the gold tone does command some presence. This is a great alternative to any Rolex day-date oyster, and a great entry-level watch at a fraction of the price. This automatic movement will hold a power reserve for around 36 hours, which is standard in any automatic, but its timekeeping is just as good. So yeah, quite classy, smart, lightweight if that's what you're into. And it's an instant classic. SNXS80k, caliber 7S26. Pretty simple. Very elegant and classy. Just what you need. So, thanks for watching. Hope you like. Subscribe. I might show you some more Seiko watches and some more in my collection. Thanks. Bye.